Hey guys, padlock 67 here. Going to be opening a 100th anniversary master lock. There's the key. Not a very good bitting at all. Very disappointed in that. I would have thought they had a better one, but I ordered 2 of them. I haven't opened the other one because it's hanging on my padlock rack as part of my collection. We're going to be using I guess short monkey paw from the triple monkey paw set from Sparrows. We'll get in there. And I think I got a false set already. At least it feels like it. It has a very, very tough, not tough, very strong return spring. And we got it open. Yeah, look at that return spring on there. Now I did find out the hard way that when you have it like this picked, you don't want to close it back up like that, because the spring will flip the keyway all the way around. So we'll click that back open. I was going to gut it, but I'm not going to gut it. But that was with the Sparrows short monkey paw. Pop that lock now. We got the key off. The keychain too that comes with it. And make sure it works. Works fine. Put that back and open. There you go. And what I used to pick it with, I got the Sparrows triple monkey paw. That's what they look like. You got a short and a medium and a big hook. Focus. There we go. This is the one I used. I also got the etched monkey paw. Still having a problem using that one because of the size, and it's a bit thicker than this triple set is 15 thousandths. I got some magnetic handles, and of course, where's my notes? I have no clue where the damn notes are, but some of you might recognize these handles. Magnetic, and they're a bit loose, but if you want good handles or your self-oar picks, this happens to be a diamond in 22 thousandths. These fit perfectly in the metal handles. They also feel very well in your hand. Got a quick set clone here, but like I said, they feel real good. I'm getting used to them because I'm so used to my vinyl, those vinyl red ones that I have. And I hurt my finger, so I don't have that much feel in my tensioning finger now. But anyway, I'm not gonna mess with that. After that, picking my fingers are a little numb. But yeah, if you want a good handle for your south oar, these work very good. I think I showed you my vinyl handles before. The south oar, that's your regular south oar ones. I wish I could find these handles again. I have no idea where to look for them. Found these on eBay 20 years ago. But they fit, they slide on very well. They don't come off, they don't slide around. They're very well. They are a triangle shape, so you can either use them like this. This is the way I use them, or you can flip them where the triangle part is on the top. But they're vinyl. You know, they were specifically made for either files, or they could have been even lockpicks. I have no idea. Can't remember. But if you happen to be on eBay looking for slide-on handles, and this is what they look like, get them. They're great. Also, I've been playing with the Dragon Scale. It was probably a very good tool back in the day, but I've fiddled with it. Modern locks, it works, it tensions good, but it's just one of those tools that probably when it was created had a purpose, and now it really doesn't. I thought that this part was for ace locks, but we got an ace lock here, and while it does fit up there, it's just these aren't thin enough to go in there. I don't know whether different tubular locks at the time were wider. I don't know. I have no clue what the legs are for. Possibly for tensioning other locks. But I do have some old locks. Like here's an old Earl that this actually tensions pretty good in it, and even tensions good at the top. Fair. But it's just, you know, whoever designed this for whatever locks, This tool is just obsolete. Michael at Sparrows made it for me. I wasn't actually thinking he would actually make one and send it, but I'm glad he did. I've been testing it and all. It's one of those, you just don't have a place for it in modern lockpicking anymore. I might pick a lock with it on camera sometime, but since my neuropathy is acting up through that picking that I just did, even though it was that short, I'm going to wrap this one up. Thanks for watching.